In the book of Psalms, chapter 23, it says, "The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. He leadeth me in the paths of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil. For thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of mine enemies. Thou anointest my head with oil. My cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever." Hello, my friends. May God bless your life powerfully. Are you feeling lost in the daily grind, unsure of how to navigate life's challenges? Do you yearn for a consistent source of strength and guidance, a way to anchor your day in faith and purpose? Psalm 23, a timeless hymn of trust, offers a profound solution, a morning prayer that can transform your perspective and empower you to face each day with unwavering confidence. This isn't just another devotional, it's a practical guide to connecting with God's unwavering provision, guidance, and daily protection. Imagine waking up each day knowing that your path is illuminated, your needs met, and your spirit fortified. This isn't a fantasy, it's a tangible reality for those who embrace the wisdom of this ancient psalm. This devotional will equip you with a powerful framework, revealing how to apply the profound imagery of Psalm 23 to your daily life. Discover the secrets to cultivating a deeper relationship with the shepherd of your soul, finding solace in his presence and unwavering support. This isn't just theoretical, it's a call to action. We'll explore the profound imagery of the shepherd and his flock, revealing the practical application of this ancient wisdom to contemporary life. Learn how to interpret the verses as a personalized prayer, discovering specific ways to navigate challenges and embrace opportunities. You'll gain practical insights on how to use Psalm 23 as a daily affirmation, a compass guiding your steps, and a source of unwavering strength. Beyond the comforting imagery, this devotional will equip you with tangible tools for daily living. Discover how to integrate Psalm 23 into your morning routine, transforming it from a mere ritual into a profound connection with God. We'll unpack the key verses, exploring their hidden meanings and practical implications. This is more than just a devotional. It's a journey of transformation, promising to empower you to live a more meaningful and faith-filled life. Prepare to experience the peace, provision, and protection that await you when you embrace the wisdom of Psalm 23. Today, embark on a journey of faith and discovery. Unlock the transformative power of Psalm 23 and experience a profound shift in your daily relationship with God. This isn't just another devotional. It's a key to unlocking a life filled with purpose, peace, and unwavering faith. In a world often characterized by uncertainty and anxiety, finding solace and strength in faith is more crucial than ever. Daily pressures, personal struggles, and societal anxieties can leave us feeling vulnerable and lost. This devotional, centered on Psalm 23, offers a powerful pathway to navigate these challenges with renewed hope and unwavering faith. Psalm 23, a cornerstone of Christian devotion, resonates deeply with believers across generations. Written by King David, a man who experienced profound joy and unimaginable hardship, this psalm embodies a profound trust in God's unwavering care. Understanding this context is vital. David's personal experiences offer a relatable lens through which to view our own challenges. He wasn't immune to fear, doubt, or hardship, yet he found refuge in the comforting presence of the Lord. This devotional isn't merely an abstract theological discussion, it's a practical guide for daily living. The imagery of Psalm 23, the shepherd leading his flock, providing for their needs and protecting them from harm, offers tangible ways to apply God's love and care to our daily lives. Imagine the shepherd's unwavering devotion, his constant presence, and his unfailing provision. This devotional will help you translate that imagery into a personal and practical framework for navigating your own journey. Fundamental to understanding Psalm 23 is the concept of God as a shepherd. This isn't a passive relationship, it's an active, nurturing connection. God is not distant or aloof. He is actively involved in our lives, guiding us, protecting us, and providing for our needs. This understanding forms the bedrock of this devotional, empowering us to approach each day with a renewed sense of trust and dependence on the Lord. This devotional will explore the key themes within Psalm 23, highlighting the importance of seeking God's guidance, recognizing His provision, and acknowledging His protection. By delving into the rich imagery and powerful messages of this beloved psalm, we'll gain valuable tools for navigating life's challenges with faith and resilience, prepared to discover a deeper understanding of God's unwavering love and the profound peace that comes with trusting in Him. Unlock the transformative power of Psalm 23. This devotional offers practical steps to apply God's unwavering guidance and protection to your daily life. Subscribe now for more insightful content and join the discussion. Your feedback and comments are invaluable. Let's grow together in faith. This devotional aims to equip you with a practical framework for applying Psalm 23 to your daily life. Our goal is to move beyond simply understanding the verses, to actively incorporating them into your morning routine and decision-making. We want to transform Psalm 23 from a beautiful poem into a living, breathing guide for navigating life's challenges with faith and confidence. A common question is, how do I practically apply this in my daily life? Start by reading Psalm 23 aloud. Notice the imagery, the shepherd, the green pastures, the still waters. Visualize these images in your mind as you pray. Imagine God as your shepherd, leading you through life's trials. This visualization can help ground you in His presence. Next, personalize the psalm. Instead of simply reading the verses, replace the I with I, your name. Make the psalm your own prayer. This personalization fosters a deeper connection with the text and allows you to address your specific needs and anxieties. For example, if you're facing a challenging work project, pray, "Lead me beside the still waters, O Lord, and grant me clarity and wisdom in this project." Consider using a journal to record your reflections on Psalm 23 each morning. Write down specific requests, acknowledge God's provision, and express gratitude for His care. This journaling practice will help you track your spiritual growth and cultivate a deeper understanding of God's presence in your life. Another actionable step is to apply the principles of Psalm 23 to everyday situations. When you feel overwhelmed, remember the shepherd's comforting presence. When you face uncertainty, seek God's guidance. When you experience setbacks, trust in His unwavering protection. This is about integrating faith into your daily decisions, not just a morning ritual. Finally, don't hesitate to share your experiences and insights with others. Engage in discussions, ask questions, and offer support. Learning from others and sharing your journey will enrich your understanding and deepen your faith. Imagine a sudden, unexpected storm in your life. A job loss, a family crisis, or a personal setback. These events can leave you feeling adrift, overwhelmed, and unsure of how to proceed. This is where Psalm 23 becomes more than just a beautiful poem. It becomes a lifeline, a source of strength, and a guiding light in the midst of the storm. This pivotal moment highlights the urgent need for a solid foundation in faith. When life throws curveballs, when doubt creeps in, and when fear threatens to consume you, remembering the comforting words of Psalm 23 is crucial. This isn't about ignoring the problems. It's about finding the strength within yourself to face them with faith as your shield. Consider a young entrepreneur facing a sudden market downturn. Their carefully constructed business plan is crumbling, and their financial security feels threatened. In this moment of uncertainty, Psalm 23 offers a powerful antidote to fear. The verse about walking through the darkest valley, yet fearing no evil, becomes a source of comfort and resilience. This isn't about magically eliminating the problem. It's about finding the courage to face it with faith as a compass. This urgent need for understanding Psalm 23 is not just theoretical, it's a practical necessity in navigating life's unpredictable turns. We are often faced with situations where our resources feel inadequate, where our knowledge seems insufficient, and where our strength feels depleted. Psalm 23 offers a profound solution. It empowers us to recognize God's presence in the midst of the storm, offering guidance, protection, and unwavering provision. This devotional isn't just about understanding the verses. It's about internalizing their meaning and making them a part of your daily life. It's about recognizing that even in the darkest valley, God's presence is a constant. It's about developing a deep trust in His guidance and unwavering support. This turning point underscores the importance of this devotional. It's not just about a good morning prayer, it's about finding the strength to weather any storm. This moment of crisis, this turning point, emphasizes the urgent need to cultivate a relationship with God that transcends temporary challenges. Psalm 23 offers a foundation of faith, reminding us that even in the midst of adversity, God's love and protection are unwavering. Understanding Psalm 23 requires recognizing its imagery as a foundational element of Christian devotion. This psalm, often called the Shepherd's Psalm, paints a vivid picture of God's care and provision for His people. Think of a shepherd leading their flock. This imagery is key to understanding God's role in our lives. The first crucial concept is the idea of God as a shepherd. This isn't a passive relationship. God is actively involved in our lives, guiding, protecting, and providing for our needs. This active role is crucial to understanding the Psalm's message. Consider the shepherd's responsibilities. They know the terrain, they protect the flock from predators, and they provide sustenance. This is a powerful analogy for God's care. Next, consider the green pastures and still waters. These aren't just metaphorical representations. They represent the peace, nourishment, and clarity that come from trusting in God. Green pastures symbolize abundance and well-being, while still waters represent calm and peace. When we trust in God, we find the tranquility and sustenance needed to navigate life's challenges. Think of a time when you felt truly peaceful and nourished. That sense of calm can be likened to the still waters. The concept of restoration is also essential. The Psalm speaks of God restoring our souls. This isn't just about physical healing, it's about the emotional and spiritual restoration that comes from trusting in God's care. Imagine a time when you felt emotionally drained. This verse reminds us that God has the power to renew and revitalize our spirits. Furthermore, the psalm highlights God's protection. The imagery of walking through the darkest valley speaks to times of hardship and difficulty. The promise of God's presence, even in these challenging moments, is central. This doesn't mean the difficulties disappear, but it does mean that we're not alone. Think of a time you faced a difficult situation. How did you feel when you knew you weren't alone? Finally, the psalm emphasizes God's provision and unwavering love. The verses about a table prepared and oil speak to God's abundant grace and generosity. This reminds us that God is always providing for our needs, even when we don't see it immediately. Think of a time when you felt deeply blessed. This is a reminder of God's generosity. Understanding these foundational concepts, God as shepherd, provision, guidance, and protection, is the first step in applying Psalm 23 to your daily life. This will be crucial for the next stages of this devotional journey. A practical application of Psalm 23 involves incorporating it into your daily routine. Start each morning by reading Psalm 23 aloud. This simple act can set a tone of trust and dependence on God for the day ahead. Visualize the imagery, the shepherd, the flock, the green pastures as you pray. This visualization can help ground you in God's presence. A common challenge is feeling overwhelmed by daily tasks. To combat this, use Psalm 23 as a daily affirmation. Remind yourself that God is leading you, providing for you, and protecting you. When faced with a difficult decision, ask for guidance, recognizing that God's wisdom is available. For example, if you're unsure about a career path, pray, "Lead me beside the still waters, O Lord, and grant me clarity in this decision." Another challenge is dealing with fear and anxiety. Psalm 23 assures us that even in the darkest valley, God is with us. When fear arises, consciously repeat verses from the psalm. This can be a powerful tool for calming your mind and reminding yourself of God's unwavering presence. For instance, if you're feeling anxious about a presentation, remind yourself of the verse about walking through the valley and not fearing evil. Implementing these ideas requires consistency. Don't expect immediate results. Cultivating a deeper connection with God through Psalm 23 is a journey, not a destination. Be patient with yourself and celebrate small victories. Each morning, take a few moments to reflect on the Psalm's message. How has God guided you in the past? How has He provided for your needs? Acknowledge these moments of grace. Consider using a journal to record your reflections. Write down your prayers, your gratitude, and the moments when you felt God's presence. This journaling practice will help you track your spiritual growth and deepen your understanding of God's role in your life. For example, note specific instances when you felt God's guidance or protection. A crucial aspect is sharing your experiences. Discuss Psalm 23 with others. Share your insights and challenges and offer support to those facing similar situations. This community approach can strengthen your faith and provide encouragement during difficult times. This fosters a support network within your faith community. Moving beyond basic application, consider how Psalm 23 can be a framework for navigating complex life decisions. When faced with significant choices, prayerfully reflect on the imagery of the shepherd leading his flock. Ask yourself, what is the path God is leading me toward? What resources and guidance am I seeking from Him? This introspective approach allows you to align your choices with God's will. Consider the case of a young artist struggling to balance creative aspirations with financial stability. They are torn between pursuing their passion, which may lead to financial uncertainty, and a secure, stable job. By meditating on Psalm 23, they can recognize that God's provision extends beyond immediate financial security. The green pastures represent the potential for fulfillment and joy in their artistic pursuits, while the still waters represent the clarity and direction needed to navigate this challenging path. Furthermore, Psalm 23 can be a powerful tool for fostering resilience in the face of adversity. Think of a community struggling through a natural disaster. The image of God as the shepherd, protecting and providing for his flock, offers a powerful message of hope and strength. By focusing on God's unwavering presence, the community can find the courage to rebuild and recover, knowing they are not alone. This resilience isn't about ignoring the pain or the challenges. It's about recognizing that God is with them every step of the way. The psalm becomes a source of strength, a reminder